Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Casio Trix. This guy's going to be replacing my old flip cam. This is going to be perfect for a vlogging camera. So some nice packaging. I don't know what really to compare it to. I've never owned a Casio product before. This guy for sure caught my attention. Pop that out of the box. The camera itself. Pop the LCD out. Camera lens rotates with it. You can rotate the camera screen. Point it towards yourself. Very nice, clean. Bring it to the rest of the package. Nice and snug in there. So there's our power cable. Some USB cable included. Proprietary tip, that's the only thing I don't like about that. Documentation. Should have the power supply. Lanyard. And that's it. There's not much left to unbox. That's the Casio Trix. Thanks for watching, guys.